Okay, let's have a look at the rest of our pipeline um, for in order to refine the texture in Photoshop. Let's see what are the maps we have got so far. We got the color map, which is this one. Then we got normal map, which is this one. We got the displacement map. But one map is missing, which is the specular map, which I'm going to create right now. What it does is carry all the specular detail, the um, shininess to your model, and if you okay, what's this happening? Okay, if any also the dark any dark places you want, if there are any dark places on this surface, that's carry with the specular map too. In order to create the specular map, we got to create the map called cavity map in a ZBrush. Let's see what is the process involved with creating the cavity map. Okay, I'm back in the ZBrush. This is where I have stopped. We got in here, if I show you again, we got the color map, displacement map, and the normal map. Now we're going to create the cavity map. In order to create the cavity map, we got to turn the color map off. Okay, I press the D key to go to the highest subdivision level. Now, okay, we in this color palette choose the white for the selected color, then select the color and fill object. What it does, it's fill up the object with the color. Oh, sorry, that's wrong. Should fill up with the white. Okay, I'll do it again. Okay, so make sure it's in a white and go to the color, fill object. Your model should look like this. Then go to the masking, see the masking, open up the masking, mask by cavity. Make sure the intensity is 100 and press the mask by cavity. Then it will create the mask around the cavity area. Let's see these black places are the mask. It's been mask all the cavity area. What I want to cavity, I want to inverse the mask. Hold down the control key and click outside, right click the outside, then it will inverse the mask. Then what I want to fill up the black or color black in this cavity area, all these white areas. Okay, therefore what I'll do, I'll choose the color black color, then in this color palette, then I go to the color, fill object. Then what I'll do, I got to clear the mask, see it properly, hold down the control and drag the box outside to create the mask. See, your model should look like this. It's create the cavity area with the black and the other area with the white. We're going to use this map to create the specular map. What we have to do, we have to create the texture map. Go to the texture map palette, open that one, and then click the create new from polypane. Click this one, new from polypane. It's generate the new map. Okay, we see it's got the new map. This is the new color map. We're going to extract this map manually. I'll show you how to extract this map manually to the Photoshop. First, what you got to do, you got to clone this map. See the clone. By cloning, it will come to the texture palette, which is over here. Click that one. Okay, click texture map from here. then you can see the active map is the cavity map. Then you could import that map. You could export, sorry. Select the export button. Here you go. Then I've been saving my go to the project file that you created. I create the file called demo creature. Then go to the scene assist images. I change it to TIFF, file type to TIFF. See, you can see the other images that you created. Then I'm going to call this one cavity map. Save. Okay, the next thing I got to do is open up the Photoshop, then import all these map into the Photoshop. Okay. Okay. Give it a second. My Photoshop is opening up. Okay, here we go. Okay. Then create the new document. New. It will be asked what is the dimension. 2048 by 2048 is the dimension of the new document. If you wondering how I got this dimension, if you go to the UV map, if you go to the ZBrush, those are the size of our texture map. See, we create see this UV map. It's a 2048 UV maps. All the map size is a 2048 by 2048, which means 2K maps. Okay, I'm going to create a new file in Photoshop. Okay. Then what I'll do, I'll open up all the texture files that I have generated from ZBrush. Okay, I'll go to the demo creature file, then demo creature file, scene assist, images. I'm going to hold down the shift key and select all of these and open. Here we go. Okay, I have opened the files, but it's harder to see. You got to click one by one. Okay, there's a way to do. There's a way to arrange it bit more convenience way. Click window, arrange tile. Okay, this is my working file. These are the texture file which has been generated from ZBrush. First thing first, what you got to do, make sure you okay. Before that, click the working file, then create 3 folders. Okay, the 3 folders mean folder for specular map, name specular map, then normal map, then color map or diffuse map. Okay, then what you got to do, click the color map and hold down the shift key. Make sure you holding down the shift key and drag it onto the working file. If you're not holding down the shift key, the map will move around. If map will move around, you can see something like this. Okay, I'm going to undo. Then it won't match with the UV map. It will give you the problem. Okay, make sure once you drag it into the working folder, it should be in your color map folder. Okay, then what I do, I'm going to turn this one off. I'm going to close that map. Then what I'll do, go to the diffuse map and drag it and drop. Okay, press yes, because it's a grayscale map. See, I have forgotten to hold down the shift key, therefore it's given. I hold down the shift key and drag it and drop, because since it's been a grayscale map and we're trying to drag it and drop into the file which is got the RGB color, that's why you got this warning sign. Press yes, that's very fine. Then this map has to go to the specular map file, under folder 5, name under specular map, the diffuse map. Then I'm going to turn this one off. Then the normal map, hold down the shift key, same thing, drag and drop. It should be under normal map. I'm going to close this one too. Then cavity map, which we create separately, hold down the shift key and drag it and drop. It should be cavity map under the specular map. Okay, and we're going to close this one. Okay, this is our working file. You see all the 3 folders, name respectively. Okay, first I'm going to turn these things off. See, this is my color map. First, what you're going to do, select the diffuse map and make a duplicate. Then make a copy of that displacement map. Then drag it onto the color map folder. You can't see, once you done that one, you couldn't see anything. What you're going to do, select this one and change the blending mode to the overlay. Which is this one, sorry, yeah. See, you can see the difference by turning off and turning on. There are so many different blending modes that you can apply. You can check it out and have a look at what's the result it would be. The next one is normal map. What you're going to do, click the normal map, make sure copy the new normal map, copy of that, then copy of that normal map onto the color map folder. Okay, you couldn't see anything. What you could do, click this normal map and go to the image. I'm going to desaturate this one, adjust and desaturate. Okay, then make sure you change it to the overlay. Okay, we can do the fine tuning. It's like it's too bright now. What you could do, adjust and curve. Okay, you can change this curve. Have a look at it. When I'm changing this, it was like this. When I'm changing, you can get the nice blend out of this one. Okay, I prefer this one. Then click OK. Okay, now my color map has been fixed. Okay, what else? I can do one more thing. I can apply the hue and saturate layer. What you're going to do, click this little icon, click hue and saturate, then you can adjust the hue and saturate. You can add a little bit of, if you want a little bit of brightness, you can do that one. Okay, you can add any other layer too. Okay, any other filter type. Okay, now it's finished. If I turn the, see, I got this result out of blending by these maps, existing maps. It's really easy. If I turn all of these, my map looks like this. It was really dull comparing to this one. It's awesome. Now I'm going to fix the specular color, specular map. It's really simple. What you're going to do, select your specular map and make sure your cavity map top of the displacement map. Make sure you under specular map folder 2. Then change this one to the multiply. Okay, it's give a nice texture. See, this white area will become the more shiny in your model. If you want to the place somewhere in particular place it to be shine, you can get your paint. You can paint it over with the white color. Okay, select the white, create the new. You can paint it over. Okay, see, these are the eyes, because I know that these are the eyes. I think, see, these are the eye of my maps. I think I need them to be more shiny. What I'll do, I color them up with the white color. The black wouldn't be shiny at all. The gray color is a 50% in between shine and not shiny, and the white will be 100% shiny. If there are any other places that you want it to be shine, you can do. But see these horns. If I want, I'll use them. I'll add the small white dots. I'll make them shiny too. Okay, now really simple. What you got to do, you got to save these maps out. So I'll first save the, make sure all the, I haven't done anything for the normal map. Okay, the normal map is as it is. The first save the color map, save as, I'm going to save them as a JPEG file. Color PS, okay. Then I'm turn this one off. Then the normal map file, save as JPEG normal PS Photoshop. Then I'll open up the spec map. Same thing, save as, okay. The next video what I'm going to show you, how to link them up in the, it's really easy in the 3ds Max, how to these map link them up in the 3ds Max, and how to create the turntable. Okay, because my time is running out.